When solving a rational equation where you have a variable in the denominator, like this problem that we have, we're going to solve it the same way by multiplying both sides by the common denominator. However, once we're done, we have to make sure that whatever answer we get does not cause division by zero. For instance, on this problem, we want to make sure that we don't get a zero for an answer, because then it causes division by zero. The next problem that we see down here that we'll do in a little bit, that one, you want to make sure there's not a -1 that you get for the answer. Otherwise, that causes division by zero as well. So if it does cause division by zero, then that means you have to put no solution for the answer. This question, we already have common denominators. So we're going to start this by just subtracting them. So 10 over m minus 6 over m is going to give you 4 over m. So we'll start by writing 4 over m equals 28. Now we're ready to multiply both sides by m. So we're going to do m over 1 times 4 over m. And then we're going to have m over 1. And then we have times just the 28 we have on that side. The m's here are going to cancel, and you'll just get a 4. And on this side, you're going to get m times 28 or 28m. So you just need to divide both sides now by the number in front of the m. So we're dividing by 28, not by 4. We're dividing by 28. Now that's going to reduce, and that's going to give you 1/7 as the answer. So 1 over 7 is your answer for m. It would make this equation correct. Okay, so next one, the common denominator is going to be x minus 1. So this time I want to multiply the entire equation, every single thing in the equation. I'm going to multiply by x plus 1 over 1. So x plus 1 over 1, I'll multiply the 1 here. Don't forget to multiply it by that. Then I have x plus 1 over 1 times 2 over x plus 1. And then I have x plus 1 over 1 times 2x over x plus 1. We'll multiply this by 1, and we get x plus 1. Now the x plus 1s are going to cancel there. So we just have minus 2. On the other side, x plus 1s are going to cancel out as well. And we get a 2x here. We're going to simplify this. 1 minus 2 is -1. So I have x minus 1 equals 2x. Then I'll just subtract x from both sides. And I get 2x minus x, and I get just x here for the answer. Now, I mentioned earlier that if you get a number that causes the bottom to be 0, you have to put no solution. So this, in fact, is a no solution situation here, because if I put -1 into here, it causes division by 0. So you got to be careful when you do these kind of problems to make sure the answer you get does not cause division by 0. If it does, we have to put no solution as our answer. Now let's do one more. The common denominator here is going to just be both these things multiplied together. So it's going to be 4x. So I want to put a 4x over 1 here, and I have 2x plus 1 over x. And then I have 4x over 1 times 7/4 on that side. So 4x multiplied by both sides. We can cancel the x's. So x's cancel out there, and the 4's cancel out here. So we have 4 times 2x plus 1. On the other side, the 4's are gone, so we just have 7x. Now we'll multiply everything by 4. We get 8x plus 4 equals 7x. And then we can just subtract 8x from both sides to get all the x's on one side there. Now we get 4 equals -x. However, you need to divide both sides by -1 to get x by itself. So x is going to equal -4. -4 does not cause division by 0, so that's okay to have that as our answer. So for that one, the answer is x equals -4.